Hello, Overland Park. The gutter guys are here to protect your home with top-tier gutter guard solutions. Ensuring your peace of mind is our priority. In Overland Park, where the weather can be unpredictable, ensuring your home is equipped with the best gutter guards is not just a convenience, it's a necessity. Our gutter guards are designed to withstand the local climate, keeping your gutters free from leaves and debris. Protect your home from water damage and reduce your gutter maintenance with the gutter guys. Our expert team in Overland Park provides professional gutter guard installation that you can trust to last. Are you tired of constantly cleaning out your gutters? It's a chore that no homeowner enjoys. Gutter guards are an innovative solution designed to eliminate the need for frequent gutter cleaning. These guards fit over your existing gutters and are engineered to block leaves, debris, and even the smallest particles from entering your gutter system. Imagine never having to worry about water damage from clogged gutters again. Gutter guards protect your home from the foundation up, preventing costly water damage and reducing soil erosion around your property. By ensuring that water flows freely away from your home, gutter guards maintain the integrity of your roof, walls, and landscaping. Moreover, gutter guards can save you money over time. By reducing the need for professional cleaning services and preventing expensive water damage repairs, they offer a cost-effective solution to one of homeownership's most tedious tasks. Ready to stop cleaning and start saving? Contact the Gutter Guys today at 816-320-6605 or visit us online at thegutterguys.llc to learn more and get a free quote. Protect your home efficiently and economically with our top-quality gutter guards. Thank you, Overland Park, for choosing the Gutter Guys. We're your local experts in gutter guard installation, dedicated to protecting your homes efficiently and effectively. Stay safe and dry with our trusted solutions.